Looking for a compact powerhouse that replaces half your kitchen appliances? Meet the Chef IQ MiniOven, an 11-in-1 smart countertop oven that toasts, bakes, air fries, dehydrates, proofs, slow cooks, and more. With a blazing 3,200 RPM DC convection motor, a sleek touchscreen, app control, and thoughtful design touches like soft closed doors and built-in lighting, it's tiny, mighty, and downright magical. 11 cooking functions: bake, broil, and roast, but the MiniOven is also an air fryer, food dehydrator, proofer, toaster, and slow cooker with a 70 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range. It's more versatile than a traditional oven. Powerful motor: the IQ MiniOven comes equipped with a 3,200 RPM DC motor. Roast up to 30% faster than conventional air fryers and cook precisely with varying fan speeds for each function. Your POCKET SOUS CHEF. Pair with the free Chef IQ app on your smart device to program and monitor your cooking from anywhere. With an unlimited range on Wi-Fi, you can keep an eye on the kitchen from the comfort of your couch. The free Chef IQ app, Cook Control, lets you choose your cooking function or from dozens of chef-tested presets for your favorite meals, as well as tracking your temperature and cook time, all from your phone. Family-sized meals. Take advantage of the 25-quart capacity, which can fit up to a 13-inch pizza or 6 slices of toast. Use this air fryer toaster oven combo to prepare dinner for the whole family. Touch controls. Set up cooking manually using the built-in touch screen panel, featuring haptic feedback and audio alerts for a seamless and effortless cooking experience. The MiniOven is fully compatible with the IQ Sense smart cooking thermometer, adapting your toaster oven on the fly for perfect results, inside and out. There you have it. Chef IQ MiniOven delivers full-size oven functionality in a compact, smart package. Whether you're air frying crispy wings, proofing dough, or just keeping food warm, this is as close to a kitchen assistant as countertop appliances can get. Product link in the video description. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.